Professor T getting ready to spray this bad boy down. Spray. Spray. I think it's out there probably clean. You spent all day in here. Give her a little chicks. Tell our viewers why you put sealer on. That's not sealer you putting on, you spray.
It's just gonna be straight basis, it's just a stripe.
Oh, okay.
What's up?
I need to, how you doing?
Hey.
I need to get the rundown on this weekend. We're doing rider interviews.
Rider interview.
Yeah, and since you the head cheese, we need to see how all your little guys did.
Well, it was quite interesting.
Yeah.
Believe it or not.
I heard Carter tried to catch air.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you what. He was so excited. It was funny. He's hollering, I called air! I called air! I said, dude, just cause you sit your butt come off the seat don't mean you called air. I called air! I'm telling you I called air. Look, I folded my handlebars down. I called air. I think you really...
That's a pretty scary thing when you go over a jump and think it's a tabletop and there ain't nothing underneath you.
Well, he didn't crash, so he survived. So yeah, Greaseball really, I go blowing by him, and I think like the third time I blew by him on his first lap, he thought he was going.
I was on my second lap.
He was going to peel her back a little bit. Well, he peeled her back.
I peeled the apple too
Peeled
much.
himself right off the bike. Landed
on my handlebars.
Yeah.
That didn't.
Caught a handlebar to the old boob, and anyway, he sat there for probably a good 20 minutes, drawing in the sand like it was some kind of daggone Etch-a-Sketch sandbox. You know, I mean, I didn't understand really what was going on. But I even seen a little tear in his eye. I'm like, dude, you gonna be part of the dirt bike club?
I did not cry. Just so everybody knows, I did not cry.
Shh, this is my interview. I'm like, you gonna have to man up if you're gonna ride dirt bikes.
Right there. The average human head weighs 8 pounds, according to Jerry Maguire. Okay?
That's true. Yep.
But that one's 12-pounder right there.
And he loves the black people.
What? What?
Jerry Maguire.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
Show me the money.
Show me the money. Say it. Show me the money. You don't remember that?
Yeah, I do. Your head weighs 12 pounds?
No.
That's a 12-pounder right there.
Whew, this thing.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Hello YouTube land, Big Block here at Creative Rods. You know what you got to remember to do, right? Like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell, don't you forget.
See what they got done here. We got it all taped up, ready for the red. Professor T's getting ready to bling this thing out, make it pop. We'll get some film of him painting it, and then once I'm able to get back in the booth, once it dries, you'll see what it looks like. Hey, while we're standing here doing this, I want you to update them on your collarbone. Hey, now I want to see the bubble.
A bubble?
The bubble.
It ain't a bubble. It's a big knot.
Look at that knot. All right, y'all, I'm going to show y'all some x-rays right now. Check this out. See what Travis done to his shoulder again. Done.
Yeah, surprised me.
So what's next?
Well, having to make sure my tape's laid down, because after it's sat for a little while.
Not that.
Oh, what's next?
Yeah.
Oh. Collarbone?
Yeah.
Oh. They go double plated. One on the top, one on the bottom. One on the bottom, one on top. And go in my hip and get some bone marrow. I hope it's my hip. Anyway, that's what it said. And inject it up here to make it super healed. That's what it said. After the surgery, I done asked him if I could have that plate with screws. And he said, yeah, you heard it.
So they are going to take that plate out and put another one in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it broke it.
So you're going to have a plate on top, a new plate on top and on bottom?
Yeah.
With screws? Huh.
I don't even know how I did it. I think I know how I did it on our foot race.
Y'all remember that foot race a couple of shot walks ago where Travis
fell on it and it broke the collarbone again and broke the plate. And I've been riding since then.
He's tough.
I'm like, it's broke right now and I'm still doing it. So anyway, check my other side, make sure all the stuff's up. Go put Snow White on.
I'm gonna go in here and risk my life inhaling.
Take one for the team.
Take one for the team and inhale these fumes.
Corona.
Hey, that's a Corona
That's Corona.
antidote.
Corona antidote.
You guys hadn't seen this little 65 Mustang. We just finished up with it. Owner's got some back trouble, so had a lot of leaking going on. So we try to fix all the leaks for him. Car he bought not too long ago. Sharp little car. Ready to go home, ready for pickup. Working on a 79 Trans Am.
Yep.
That's actually my car, but Josh services them for me so I can get them ready for sale. So this 79 Trans Am will be up for sale here in next week or so.
So if you're stuck in 1985, you got a white suit and blonde hair, this is your car.
Lipstick, bud. Lipstick.
Huh. Alright, so he's got the sealer. This is the last time you're gonna see this car this color. Got the white sealer on it. We getting ready to spray it. Professor T and me. Oh, you won't give me that thing? Let's get it.
Yeah. Y'all ready?
Y'all ready? Well, let's see what's going on in the Mac Tools truck today. Well, well, well. Look what we got in here.
Look at that. You need some food, mate.
Hey, Bryce, I got a question for you.
What we got? What we got?
This is an independent outside third party here.
Right.
When Nate Dogg comes in here, does he ever buy candy or get candy from you and stuff like
All
that?
the time. Every week.
Do what?
Every week.
You ain't got no damn candy on here.
Well, caught red-handed.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
You mean just buy you
Let the
buy.
A1C prove it.
That's fine.
Let the A1C prove
Can I
it.
get a flyer?
Flyer? Look, hey, look, it must be really getting tough at home because he's about to tear up over here because he knows when he gets home he's gonna get it. Huh?
What?
No?
You know what that is?
What?
5 across the eye.
On who? It better not be going Jennifer. She'll whoop your tail.
Be on me, probably.
Yeah. Hey, Bryce told on old Nate Dogg on his candy.
Can I get a new flyer?
See, he thinks he's fooling everybody. I mean, you know what he does.
I ain't gonna buy nothing. Let me see that.
I
Piece of
mean,
candy all day.
the jury's out. I done won. As they said in Shooter, you lose again. I win, you lose.
You know what they say about lying, right?
Somebody Shooter McGavin? No, the movie Shooter.
Hey,
Shoot him again.
what do they say about lying?
That you shouldn't do it.
Mama's
I know.
wrong
You need to
again.
take your own advice. All right, guys, we're in the paint booth here. Travis painted the Cobra yesterday. Let's check it out. What do you think? Painted with our Glasurit, line 55. And the Bronco is going to be the same scheme once we get it ready for paint. Got some custom stripes there the owner wanted. Of course, we got to paint the hood and the trunk lid that'll have stripes on it as well. So those stripes will go all the way up. Let me know your thoughts below. Make a comment, please. There she is.
For watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. Our videos are posted every Friday at 7 p.m. We'll see you next week.